it be raining. And I got basically just 4 periods of study hall today, and then I be going home. Nothing today. Just basically free day. Aside from band. Okay. Don't care. It's fun. Yippee. Hooray. Yeah. Oh, my phone is wet. Hold up. Yeah, we'll deal with that later. So yeah, that's pretty much all that's happening today. Pretty simple day. Very fun. Took the 2:30 bus on Monday and the 3:30 bus the rest of the week. And today I'm not taking either. We're getting home for 10:30. Yippee. So that's about it for today. I guess I will see you Monday. Yeah, Monday. Bye.